So my name's Cameron Smith and I'm the Head of Ecommerce here at AdPeople. And what that means is that I'm responsible for the over 40 experts that we have, servicing hundreds of e-commerce clients across the globe, helping them with their Google Ads, Amazon and social media. And that is what we're here to do with you as well. We designed Leap in order to be a learning hub for e-commerce business owners who are just getting started. So it's to give you the knowledge of how to get your first few sales and how to scale them. And we're not hiding it behind any paywalls either. This is all going to be for free. AdPeople are really passionate about working with SMEs and scaling them online. We've been doing it for over 20 years, and that's why we work with over 4,000 clients across the globe, helping them get their budgets from £100 a month up to £10,000 a month and really delivering them that scale. My team will be delivering content based on the most frequent questions that we get by e-commerce business owners. We're here to build a community to help those future business owners. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to be part of this community.